Hi, my name is Alexis Fromm, and this is my DSARI home energy audit. I did my home energy audit on my house in the KC metro area, and just some background on this house. I've lived here for just under a year with my two older siblings and my parents. This house was built in 1939, so it's 81 years old, and it is about 2,500 square feet. So firstly, some energy usage background. The average energy used in residential living in the US is 914 kilowatts per hour per month, or 30.47 kilowatts per hour per day. And the average consumption in the state of Kansas is 934 kilowatts per hour per month, so just a little bit above the US average. Over here, we see the pie chart showing breakdowns of consumption in utilities and appliances, and the biggest user is space heating. The average energy consumption of 934 kilowatts per hour per month ultimately breaks down to cost Kansas homes an average of $124.68 a month on their energy bills. And on average, my family's electricity bill is $350 per month, which is obviously much higher than the average, partly due to the other costs that go into the electricity bill. Here's a list of the 8 appliances I used and some pictures of me actively measuring the wattage. The 8 appliances that I used were a floor lamp, a coffee pot, toaster, a fan, a table lamp, also known as my light bulb, microwave, juicer, and a TV. During the process of calculating my family's energy consumption, I asked and trained them to keep a daily log of their use of the following appliances. After the week was over, I compiled these daily logs to make one full daily log of all the totals. And as you can tell, the most used was the table lamp, followed by the TV and the floor lamp in my bedroom. It's not surprising to me that the table lamp was the most used because my mother is so keen on keeping all of the lights on in our house because she likes a very bright house. Once I measured the watt usage of each appliance, I multiplied this number with the average hours the appliance was used. For example, with the floor lamp, I measured that the average watts when it was on was 39.48 and there was 0 phantom power. Therefore, I took the 2 hours that were averaged from daily use and I multiplied this with the 39.48 to get a total of 78.96 watts per hour per day. And I did that with each of my appliances to get a total of 3.4154 kilowatts per hour per day and a total of 102.4608 kilowatts per hour per month. And this is a visual of the kilowatts per hour usage per appliance, showing that the TV used the most kilowatts per hour, and that was followed by the table lamp. For some energy usage analysis, when comparing my home to the average in Kansas and the average in the US, it is very evident that my total is far less than both of those. My total is about 102 kilowatts per hour per month, while the Kansas average is 934 kilowatts per hour per month, and the US average is 914 kilowatts per hour per month. I attribute this large difference to the fact that most of the appliances I measured only pertain to about 20% of the energy consumption in residential living. If I were to have measured the energy used in space heating, this total would have been much higher and closer to the other averages. Also, in regard to how much my family spends on our electricity bill a month, which is $350, I think it is clear that the appliances I measured are only a small fraction of the energy consumed in my house. And here are the references I used to find the background information on the energy consumed in the state of Kansas and the US. Thank you.